welcome back to another video. Today, I don't know what I'm going to be doing. I'm spending the night at Brady's. I'm having s'mores right now? Yeah. Guys, we're having s'mores! Woo! Woo! Yeah! Boy! Ugh, I fell. We need s'more sticks. Yeah, guys. Guys, I'm getting a stick. Ugh.
Okay.
I want a metal one. Here.
There's some metal ones up on the deck.
Okay, guys, I'm doing metal. Okay. Guys. Here. Wait. Guys, I'm gonna wait. Oh, here they are. Yeah. But they got all of them. See, look. Guys, I'm running back. Guys, want one?
Sure. Don't go running with sticks in your hands. Where's mine?
Bro, Roger, come on. You gotta get hers.
Yeah, but don't always see.
No,
You
that's
can
fine.
use mine.
No, go for it. I can use
I'm
mine.
gonna start
Okay,
with
guys. Can you put one on my stick, please?
You guys are making your own s'mores, so you better, I will take the marshmallows off for you, actually, because I don't want you to burn them.
Good idea. Sticking a marshmallow on my stick. See, look. Marshmallow on my stick. Gonna be.
How are you going to roast marshmallows while you're sitting right there?
I'm making mine. Well, bigger. Hey, look at this.
Watch some more? Yeah, it's this YouTube channel.
Woo! Guys.
They're so obnoxious. I don't like them. They get hit by a Nerf gun. They're like, ah! They overreact. But I like
Yeah.
that. But I like that about them. It makes everybody.
Can you put one on mine? Mine's about to fall off. Guys.
Oh, what is it?
You need to put the phone down.
Okay, guys.
You can just set it down.
Mm. Oh.
Can you take my first one? And can you just take my first one and just set it down?
Guys.
Make the s'mores set it down.
Okay, guys.
Here.
Can you take my
We're
first
not going to set hot forks on the ground.
All I want you to do with this first one is just set it on, make a s'more and just set it on.
Guys.
Garbage. Less garbage smell.
Oh, it's not melted.
No way.
I'll end the video soon. Guys, bye guys. Make another video soon. Bye. Subscribe, leave a like, comment below what I should do next. Peace. Love. Bye.